My name is Kohshin Finley. I'm an artist born and raised here in LA. We are here at Frieze LA, and I'm a part of Art Production Fund's Body and Soul exhibition. So my work is titled The Piano Player. It is a series of 3 large 7-foot walnut columns that have ceramics within them. I always aim to make something that feels timeless. And when you think about memory, when you think about life, when you think about time, the vessel holds through all of that. And thinking about like vessels holding memory and time and feelings. Some feelings are meant to be opened, and some things are broken, and the way they are, there's also beauty in that. I think really with this installation wanted to showcase that they're beautiful all the same. I've been painting primarily my whole life, and my wife decided I needed a hobby, and she gave me for one of my birthdays a gift of a ceramics lesson. And as reticent as I was to take it on, it ended up changing my life completely and bringing on another art form, another way that I could speak, another way that I can express. I've also made such a beautiful community of people that I can really call my friends. I wanted it to feel like it's something that has been buried that we just brought up and were able to put back. There's the synapses that fire off when I'm making ceramics feel almost primitive. It's me, I'm nature, ceramics is nature, it's earth. And so there's something really special about that transfer of energy and that collaboration, if you will. When you look at a ceramic vessel, it has feet, it has a collar, it has shoulders, it is the human body. Sometimes when I'm writing my poetry on a certain vessel, I'm thinking about someone I know, and that really connects me into thinking about somebody, that it's not just clay, it's not just a vessel. For the audience, I really hope that the piece just gives them room to pause. And it's really a meditation on memory. It's really a meditation on time and thinking about carrying those memories from the past, keeping them for the present, but also taking them into the future.